Welcome to Virtual Voyagers. Hey there, Voyagers, and welcome to Christiansborg Palace. Christiansborg Palace, situated on the islet of Slotsholmen in the heart of Copenhagen, Denmark, stands as an architectural testament to the nation's rich history and political prowess. Its multifaceted roles as a royal residence, parliamentary seat, and cultural hub make it a cornerstone of Danish identity. The tale of Christiansborg begins in the 18th century. The original palace was constructed under the reign of King Frederik IV, who envisioned a grand residence that would showcase the might of the Danish monarchy. Architect Elias David Hauser was tasked with designing this imposing structure. The palace is a striking example of neo-Baroque architecture, characterized by its stately facades, intricate ornamentation, and symmetrical layout. The majestic central dome, which rises above the surrounding buildings, offers a commanding presence. Its golden spire serves as a visual beacon, symbolizing the pinnacle of Danish political authority. Christiansborg boasts 3 distinct palaces within its walls, each contributing to its multifaceted identity. The royal palace, lavishly adorned with regal opulence, was once the private residence of Danish monarchs. Lavish chambers adorned with ornate tapestries and grand chandeliers offer a glimpse into royal life. The palace also houses the royal reception rooms, where state banquets and official ceremonies take place. These elegantly appointed spaces pay homage to Denmark's artistic heritage, with walls adorned by works of celebrated Danish painters. Beyond its regal facade, Christiansborg serves as the hub of Danish democracy. The Folketing, Denmark's parliamentary body, convenes within the palace's walls. The Parliament Chamber, a bastion of democratic discourse, is adorned with Danish flags and the regal emblem, underscoring the synthesis of monarchy and democracy in Danish governance. Adjacent to the Folketing lies the Supreme Court of Denmark, a testament to the separation of powers integral to democratic societies. This chamber of justice, characterized by its dignified architecture and judicial symbolism, reinforces the rule of law within the nation. Surrounding Christiansborg are the evocative remnants of its past. The royal stables, once the residence of royal horses and carriages, now house the royal kitchen and the Royal Stables Museum. These spaces offer a unique perspective on the regal lifestyle, showcasing historic carriages and culinary traditions. Beneath the palace lies a hidden gem, the Christiansborg Palace ruins. These archaeological remains date back to the original castle of Bishop Absalon, the founder of Copenhagen. Visitors can explore these time-worn foundations, providing a tangible link to the city's medieval origins. In front of Christiansborg Palace, an imposing equestrian statue pays homage to King Christian IX, a pivotal figure in Danish history. Known as the father-in-law of Europe, Christian IX's strategic royal marriages earned him this moniker, solidifying Denmark's influence across the continent. The statue serves as a poignant reminder of Denmark's intricate dynastic ties and its role in shaping European politics during the 19th century. Today, Christiansborg remains a vibrant nucleus of Danish culture and politics. The palace complex is open to the public, inviting visitors to explore its regal chambers, parliamentary halls, and archaeological treasures. The royal reception rooms, with their artistic splendor, host state functions, while the Parliament Chamber echoes with the deliberations of elected representatives. The Royal Kitchen and Stables Museum offer insights into culinary traditions and royal transportation. The palace also hosts rotating art exhibitions, cultural events, and ceremonies, further embedding it in Denmark's contemporary cultural landscape. Christiansborg Palace stands as an emblem of Danish heritage, where layers of history converge. From its regal origins to its pivotal role in modern democracy, it encapsulates Denmark's evolution. Its architectural grandeur, regal residences, and political significance weave a narrative that resonates with every visitor, offering a profound understanding of Danish identity and its enduring place on the global stage. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.